really want a snack from the vending machine. I'll then go get a bag of mean ruffles. Wait a second, I don't have money, so time to die, vending machine. I just saw Simon break into the vending machine. I finally got my bag of mini ruffles. Waiter? Mr. Baxter, please, I'm so sorry. Can I have another chance? No. Now go home. You're suspended. Simon, how dare you break into the vending machine at your school? That's it. You are grounded for 1 week. This means no Cats No Dance, no Jetsons the movie, no The Can of Hat Knows a Lot About Halloween, no Alvin and the Chipmunks, no Calling Cat 22, no The Weird Al Show, no Missing Tomorrow, and no Tom and Jerry. Now go to your room now. Wah. And stop crying like a toddler. You're too old for that.